These look like pretty boring birthday gifts, right? Nothing mind-blowing here. But with a little creativity engraving, we can turn these items into personalized gifts that anyone would want to keep. Today, I'm going to show you 3 ideas that can turn these everyday objects into amazing birthday gifts using the Respark Customizer. And the best part, none of these items are expensive. The magic is in the design. Most of us think that gifts have to be fancy or expensive to be special, but honestly, the ones that matter the most are the ones that are personal. So follow along as we take these everyday items and make them thoughtful, creative, and custom. Now, even though a water bottle is an everyday product, it's a really useful gift because let's be honest, all of us need to drink more water. So what better way to make it special than engrave someone's name on the side so that they'd be happy to tote it around while they're hydrating all day long. As always, safety first. So before we get started engraving, make sure you grab your eye protection and you're in a well-ventilated area. Ready? Let's go. Now, I may be a professional lettering artist, but I still like to start my designs off with a pencil sketch so I know how large my design will be and whether the placement of it works. If you're not comfortable drawing on your own, Respark offers stencil sets with different designs and alphabet styles that are great for beginners. You can get them at our website over at respark.com. Before we begin engraving, it's always a good idea to reference the manual to make sure you're using the correct bit and speed for each project. Since this is a stainless steel bottle, we'll use a ball bit and a speed of 1 to 2. Don't forget to wear that protective eye gear when engraving. We're going to start by slowly tracing the design you sketched out. I recommend moving in short strokes and allowing the tool to do the work for you. You can always go back and touch up the lines later. Be sure to take your time and don't rush. Don't feel like you have to hold your bottle in the same place. Do whatever feels good and makes engraving easier. So if you have to turn your bottle, do it. And here's the final result. Now it's not just a bottle, it's a personalized product that you created for someone special. Okay, on to project number 2. Candles are an already classic gift, but engraving them would make them way more special. Now, I'm into spirituality and astrology, so if you have someone special like this in your life, why not engrave their zodiac sign onto the candle? And to make things even more special, pick an aromatic or aromatherapy candle that they're just gonna love. You can engrave it with their zodiac sign and their birthday to make it truly custom. This candle that I picked out is white sage, which is perfect for creating a calm, relaxing setting. So the process is the same as the water bottle. Always start with a sketch first so you can get your composition down before engraving. We're going to use a ball bit at 1 to 2 speed, depending on the type of candle you picked. One cool thing that'll happen when engraving like this is that we're removing the outside coating on the glass. So when the candle begins to melt, the design will glow from the inside out. It's pretty neat. And even though I had my composition sketched out, I decided to make the final design even more simple just because it took so long to engrave this. I want to elevate this design even further because with it just engraved on the glass, it's kind of hard to see. So I'm going to take Rub and Buff and apply it to the glass, making sure it fills all the grooves, and then quickly wipe it down. Now, this may take a couple tries to get it off the glass, but trust me when I say it, the final result is well worth it. Look at how pretty this is. It's such a simple idea, but it feels designed just for your special person. For our final project, we're going to take a super basic incense holder and we're going to make it truly custom. We're going to create a memorable timeline of a friendship or relationship. And the concept is pretty simple. For every year you've known this person, you're going to put 1 star on the incense holder. Because incense holders are usually wood, we'll use a ball bit or a carbide burr at speed 1 or 2. I'm going to go with the carbide burr. This ensures that stars are crisp and visible. And it's such an easy idea that I'm not even going to sketch this out. I'm going to start by placing 1 star at the top, 1 star at the bottom, and then fill in the space in between to balance the design. And once you're done, you could fill in the stars with gold acrylic paint, but I actually like the organic look, so I'm gonna leave it as is. And it looks so good, I'm gonna test it out, so I grabbed some incense, light it, and yeah, this is pretty perfect. So now instead of a simple incense holder, it's a beautiful tribute to my friendship. And voila, we took 3 basic everyday objects and made something truly custom and unique for our special person. You can give these individually, or if you're feeling generous, you can combine them all to make a cute gift set. So the next time you need a birthday gift, don't worry about finding something expensive or fancy. Start with something simple and make it special instead. Now let me ask you, which one of these ideas would you make? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want more engraving ideas like this, be sure to save this video and subscribe for more.